Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to determine what label is necessary when you are accessing a hard drive on your Windows computer guys. And you may be opening up a Windows application or command prompt. It's asking you to enter the volume label for drive, C drive or any other drive letter named as in your computer. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator over here and click yes guys. In command prompt window you just need to type vol space vol space c colon vol space c colon, press enter guys. You just need to type your drive letter guys. I just denote as C drive. Your drive letter you just want to type it, and so this will tell you the label is guys. Volume is drive, C drive has no label. If you have label, there will be listed over here guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.